What's up guys, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about forward-facing sonar and how to ban it. Stay tuned, this is going to be a good one. These are the items you're going to need to ban forward-facing sonar from your tournament. The first item is going to be a cheap connector protector. You can buy these in multi-packs so you can sell them at the tournament, or the anglers can bring their own, whatever works out better. Multicolored zip ties, multicolored Sharpies, and a roll of freezer labels. The first thing you're going to need to do is disconnect the cable from the back of your unit. That's the cable that comes from the black box and the transducer. Place the cable in the connector protector like so. Secure the snaps. As you can see, that connector is protected and it's ready to be secured. What you do is randomly select a color zip tie for the angler. These aren't quite long enough to go around this particular connector protector, so we're going to put two together. And we're going to secure the connector protector with the zip tie. Like so. So now you have a connector protector secured with a red zip tie. I'm going to select the color Sharpie that matches the zip tie on the connector protector. We're going to write the date, the boat number, and the tournament director can sign his or her name to the label. And then we're going to place the label on the connector protector. So we've got our freezer label filled out with the date, the boat number, and the signature. You're going to take your freezer label. I use freezer labels because they're somewhat waterproof. Take the label and place it across the seam on the connector protector. You may want to get some clear tape to keep that from coming off. But now you have a unique sealed connector protector ready for the tournament. The last thing you need to do is take a picture of the connector protector that is secured with a red zip tie and the label that is filled out with the matching colored Sharpie. Send that to the tournament director, or the tournament director can do it on install. To speed things up, it's probably better for everyone to do this themselves and just send it to the tournament director, and then they can check to see that your sonar cable is secured when doing the live well checks and calling boat numbers. If you guys have any ideas of a way to improve this system, drop them in the comments below and I'll make an updated version of the video in the future. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.